In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to Kit. We'll walk through the process step by step using the latest Kit interface, so by the end you'll know exactly how to add a team member or a client to your account and what each option actually does. First, make sure you're logged into your Kit account and that you're on the main dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account name or profile area there. Click on your account name to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your account, where you can manage things like your team, permissions, and other configuration options. Once you're in the settings view, look at the menu running down the left-hand side of the screen. This is your sidebar menu. In that sidebar, find and click on the item labeled Team. The Team section is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your Kit account, along with their roles and permissions. Inside the Team section, you should see a button that says Plus Invite Team Member. This is the button you'll use anytime you want to add someone new. Go ahead and click that. A form or pop-up window will appear asking for the details of the person you want to invite. Now, enter the email address of the person you want to add. It's important to double-check that you've typed their email correctly, because this is where their invitation will be sent. Below the email field, you'll see an option to select a role. Typical roles include admin, editor, and viewer. Admin usually has full access to manage settings and other users. Editor can often create and update content but might have limited access to higher-level settings. Viewer is usually more restricted, intended for people who only need to see information, not change it. Choose the role that best matches what this person needs to do in your Kit account. When you're happy with the email and the selected role, click the Send Invitation button. Kit will send an invitation email to that address. The person you invited will just need to follow the link in that email to accept the invitation and join your workspace with the permissions you've set.